Before you begin, remove the optical drive. Removal. Remove the 3 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Remove the 2 rear rubber feet from the base enclosure. Remove the 6 chrome 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Remove the 2 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws from the optical drive bay that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Important: take extreme care when separating the edges of the base enclosure near the optical drive bay. This location is easily damaged. Remove the base enclosure. Reverse this procedure to install the base enclosure.